the, the two devotees, Ananda Mohan and Lalita, with the two children from England. Yes, they're in the hotel, so they're gonna be very disappointed to hear that Gurudev gave the darshan suddenly like that, because they told me come and get me 4:30 and it's now 5:30. So I'm gonna talk to them. We have no chashma. तुम्हें बोले तो तुम्हें तो कागज मन कर लेने जैसे वो सामने आरामी चश्मा हुआ
Sarah Andrea Ingeborg. Sarah Andrea Ingeborg.
Where he is? Stand up. Stand up. Your name has been given. Ananda Mohini. Ananda. Now himself Krishna. Anandamayam Brahma. So Ananda is Krishna. And those who Mohini means? Very attractive. Controlling Krishna is Ananda Mohini. So you should be like that. What I told your name? What I told? Ananda Mohini. Very good name.
Haribo! Hare Krishna.
What is name? Savitri Gokul.
Savitri.
Savitri Gokul. Savitri. Your name is Savitri. Savitri Dashi. One of the Sakhi of Srimati Radhika. His manifestation is Savitri, also one, the wife of Brahma, also one. But he is originally Savitri Dashi as the friends of Srimati Radhika. Gaur Pramananda. What I told? Savitri Dashi. Then
Christian Ledorce. Ledorce. Christian.
no, wife.
We already have.
Damodarati.
No change.
Damodar Rati. Very good name. Damodar Rati means Radhika. Damodar Rati Vardhane Veshe. So sometimes the name of Radhika becomes like Damodar Rati. So you are Radhika Dashi. So Damodar Rati is all. Oh. Patrick Nitidin.
Haribo!
After that.
Sarah Morissette. Sarah Morissette.
Yes. You are Sumadhura Dashi. Sumadhura. Very good.
Hare Krishna.
Of Radhika. Friend of Radhika. Very dear. Sumadhura. Your all the services are so sweet. Madhura means sweet. Your every action, every service is so sweet. That is what called Sumadhura Dashi. What I told?
Sumadhura Dashi.
Yes.
Why is Pierre?
Oh. Please.
Pierre.
Oh. You are Pran Govinda. That life and soul of Krishna, so dear. Gaur Pramana. What? I have told your name? Pran Govinda. Always Pran Govinda. Pran Govinda. Very good. Then Rohit Prabhu. He now becomes Radha Raman Das. What name?
Radha Raman Das.
What name? Rakesh. Who is Rakesh? Ramananda Das Brahmachari.
Divakram Das.
Oh, yourself. Sri Damodar Das Brahmachari.
Yes, very good.
Damodar Das.
And Grihastha Brahmachari.
Oh.
Lucky is sannyasi.
I will give you renowned salt. He makes money. Nothing.
Not I know.
He only spends it.
Then he should be renowned salt. And if he makes money, then he can help you. Otherwise, I will.
You can go.
If you are permitting, then he will not like so. If he is in peace, then he will. And Gary Solomoni. What name? Gary?
Garrick Solomonium.
You will go to Navadvip, Mathura Vrindavan, I will give you name.
Okay.
Very good name I will give you. Hindu factory,
Patrick Nitidem.
you should be also in Vrindavan. Because you are Brahmachari, so I will give very good name there.
Jai Hare Krishna. Hari Bol.
আর ওই মেয়েটাকে ষষ্ঠী বাজন করাবেন এখানে সব ওই মেয়েটাকে ষষ্ঠী বাজন করাবেন বলেছেন
কোথায়?
ওই বাচ্চাটা
মেয়ে সব ফুল চলছে কোথায়? Always Prabhu, not without Prabhu. Your householder, very busy. Sometimes
We sometimes get along.
if you are angry, then you should tell his name. Otherwise,
I prefer Swami.
Swami was also like you have not seen Swami.
I was not fortunate.
Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Not Prabhupada. So funny. But he used to do funny things from a child and Valkishna.
What is the reason that the wife says Prabhu instead of
Vedic culture. That says they should have honor right? For their husband, and husband should not take her maid. Never.
How should a husband dress his wife?
Oh, there are so many things. Oh, come on. By eyes you can call.
Gopal
Yes, Gopal.
Naveen?
Naveen should be called. With some rice you have? Rice, haldi, and some ghee or butter. Mix and drink. Any question? Oh, I wanted to meet Krishna Das. Krishna Das is he? Govind. Radharaman. And Govindi. Govinda. Where you have that? I wanted to meet him because I met everyone, but I was not I'm only hearing from our Dusht mother. Wicked mind.
You have a question?
But he wants me to walk with him to see you. I'm trying to explain, I can't really walk through everybody because I'm so big.
What he said? See?
She said that her son would like to approach you, but he doesn't want to approach you alone, he wants to approach you with his mother. But she tries to explain to him that she cannot walk because there are so many people sitting, and she's not so
Oh, you
small.
should come your mother here. No harm. You can come. Your mother. I want that you should take your mother with you to Krishna.
And father?
Actually, for his father. Your father should go with you or not?
What, does he go with you to Krishna?
Yes or no?
Yes or no? No.
He gives you some sweets.
No candy anymore.
Okay? You should take your father also. Give in the hands of all. And Naveen should come with the book. You should give all little. This is all his birthday, perhaps. But anyhow, we'll have to bless for give our blessings. Shiva.
Yes, but I'm looking for the only.
All to all. Or more. He is bringing book. Where is Pundari Prabhu? He is sleeping.
He's recording tapes.
You want to have a look what's going on?
Ali.
Waar is Punderik?
She's asking why, when the ladies get Gayatri Mantra, why they don't get the sacred thread.
Because ladies should not take Brahma Gayatri. It changes the mood of woman, service, always serving mood. So it changes. So it is for only male devotees to take.
Because it means for them that they must learn and this serving mood, because the women have it normally. For them it's very easy to serve
Only
Krishna.
the thing that there will be very cruel, like Western women, they will try to control husband also. They may give up. So there should be very simple, soft, like woman, Krishna has given this.
Yeah,
Always to serving mood.
yeah. That's why, yeah, it's not, my question was, you already explained why the women don't have the Brahma Gayatri, and I accept it from frankly not forgetting it. You didn't give it to me, that's very nice. But why the thread, why the women don't have it?
Because it will change the mood.
Oh, because the thread means Brahma Gayatri.
Yes, not for all months.
Yeah, okay.
From second to last, no need of thread. But when you will take this mantra, Brahma Gayatri, then you will have to take Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra is called Upanaya, not for devotees. Like the devotees of Mathura, Brahmins, they have sacred threads, always chanting Gayatri, but that did not give a single corn or rice or dal or chapati or anything to Krishna. But the devotees gave everything what they have prepared. So we should not take, the woman should not take sacred. No need. By Kama Gayatri, it will do, Brahma Gayatri will come in that.
Thank you, Gurudev.
You should all don't you should tell what I am telling. When I will tell to throw the rice, then you should throw the rice on the heads of this child. And you should do like not now. I will tell. You should not do. You should not fear.
Don't fear.
At a time. Om Swasti no Govinda Swasti no Achyutanantau Swasti no Vasudevo Vishnur Dadhatu Swasti no Narayano Naro vai Swasti nah Padmanabha Purushottamo Dadhatu Swasti no Vishwaksheno Vishweshwaraha Swasti no Rishikesho Harir Dadhatu Swasti no Vainateyo Harih Swasti no Anjana Suto Hanur Bhagavato Dadhatu Swasti Sumangalaika Isho Mahan Sri Krishna Acchidananda Ghanaha Sarveshwaro Dadhatu Swasti Mangalam Bhavatu Mangalam Bhavatu. So, we are praying to Krishna, to Govinda, to Vishnu, to Narayan, Padmanabh, Jagannath Dev, Vishwakshen, Rishikesh, Hari, Garud, Hanuman to manifest his blessings to this child. And he should be out of danger, no calamity, no suffering, and she should have the service of Radha and Gaur
So fortunate.
This is a sanskar, Vedic sanskar. Special.
No yagya, nothing.
Mantra is everything.
Yeah. It is more danger.
I know, I'm just...
Naam japa. You should tell Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yeah.
Mangalam Bhavati. You should also, you want to also?
That's what he's saying.
When I will come to England, I will do like this.
And you have a nice service which you can take his naughtiness away.
She said she would like you to take his naughtiness away.
I will take. Now I should go and chant. You should also try. And after 6, I will sit there. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Morning I will leave this place and go to India. So you can write me letters and try to go, if no money problem, to Vrindavan in the month of Kartik.
Going to see the guest.
आप वृंदावन में आएगी कार्तिक के महीने में, जरूर आओ और तुम अपनी बेटियों को भी ले आना।
बेटियों के साथ
हाँ तुम बेटियां भी आना। सुपर्ण भी अपनी सास के साथ में, अपनी पत्नी के साथ में आएगा। सुपर्ण भी सुपर्ण आएगा वृंदावन में कार्तिक। नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर।
If she will not make problem, then I will come.
Why she should? If she is coming with you, why must? If you will not bring her with you, then any problem.
She should come also.
If she likes. Very good. Fortunate persons go to Vrindavan. Fortunate persons.
Nada, muita vakantie.
Hare
Ziet jullie masseren feesten gaan?
Rosita. When by birth she does his name.
Rosita. Rosita na Rosita.
Ro.
What is the meaning of Rosita? When Rosita is what?
Means little roses in Spanish. From Spanish.
Spanish name.
Rosita means those have so much of rush, affection and love. This is a Rosita. You want to come to Vrindavan? Child in Vrindavan, Vrindavan Parikrama, and I will.
Take it back.
You are happy? You know her? You should have some mercy to her. You should also give the impression all
Yes. The house in India.
And by half, I will also half. I'm so tricky.
Other half coming in India.
in Amsterdam. He hugged the guys. Yes. I think so. That's how I think. Wil dat jij zijn foto, dat wil Krishna van jou. Oh, that's how.
Any beautiful thing, if Krishna sees, he charms.
Yeah, say I didn't.
Als Krishna is mooi ziet dan...
Oh ja, als Krishna, ja.
And anything beautiful, Krishna sees, and one charms,
Yes.
wants to take them.
And that's what I thought also.
Radha Raman. Hare Ram. Radha Raman.
Kijk hoe vies zij is. Jeetje, moet je hoe je eruit ziet? Die is echt aan het uitleven hier.